Hello guys, welcome all of you. Today we will discuss important topic of digital electronics. Let us see number systems. So what is number system? A number system is defined as a system of writing to express numbers. A number system is a mathematical system with base n where n represents total numbers present in that system. We will discuss it later. For example, in decimal number system, the number of digits is 10. So in this, the important point is base or radix. So what is it? The numbers of symbols used in a number system or the total numbers present in the number system is called base or radix of the number system. In decimal number system, base is 10. So what is it? That is, total numbers in the decimal number system is 10. Therefore, its base is 10. So, here we know in decimal number system we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. So in the decimal number system we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here total numbers are 10 in the decimal number system, 0 to 9. So therefore its base is 10. Like this, in binary number system, base is 2. That is, total numbers are 2. So what it is? 0 and 1. Like that, in hexadecimal number system, base is 16. So next is most significant bit and the least significant bit. The leftmost bit of a binary number which has the highest place value is called most significant bit. Suppose we have a binary number 0, 1, 1, 0. So we have 0, 1, 1, 0. Zero, 1, 1 and 0. This is a binary number. Later we will discuss what it represents, that its corresponding decimal number. Its corresponding decimal number is 6. Later we will discuss. So here most significant bit means what? The leftmost bit of a binary number which has the highest place value. So this is the leftmost bit. Here see. This is the leftmost bit, 0, which has the highest place value. So this is called, one second, Wait a minute. We have 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is the leftmost bit, which will represent highest place value. So this is called most significant bit. And the least significant bit is the rightmost bit of a binary number, which has the least place value, is called as least significant bit. So this is the least significant bit. Next, so what is bit? A binary digit is called a bit. For example, 0 or 1, that is single number. Either 0 or 1, called a bit. Next is nibble. A group of 4 bits is called a nibble. For example, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, etc. So, a group of 4 bits is called a nibble. Byte is what? A group of 8 bits is called a byte. Example is shown in the presentation. Next, types of number system. So, here 4 types of number systems: binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, and hexadecimal number system. We are all known that decimal number system that we use in day-to-day life, decimal number system. And remaining 3 are we will discuss in the next lecture.